Shukran Bozorov. With a beautiful flowers Kyrgyzstan. Arslan Kudashakov.
New match coming to A, 125 kilos in the red. Representing Kazakhstan, Oleg Boltin, his opponent. In the blue, representing Finland, Jere Haino.
Nastojeća 125 kg u crvenom za Kazahstan. Oleg Boltin. Nego protivnik u plavom za Finsku. Jere Haino.
Four-zero lead here on B for world and Olympic champion Rua Turkey. World Silver Medals 2018 and World Bronze 2019. Currently trailing 2-0 over on C. To reigning world champion Amir Zadeh of the Islamic Republic of Iran.
Český krok izostva Zadeh proti 2-0 proti Pente iz Narodne Republike Kine.
Confirmed 3 point of contact, 2 points red, challenge lost.
Battle of world medalists. Gold medals is your winner from the Islamic Republic of Iran, Amir Zadeh.
Pobjeda Amir Zadeh, Islamska Republika Iran.
Coming to the man on mat, C. Men's freestyle, 79 kilograms, wearing the red, representing the United States of America, Jordan Burroughs.